Let's make this simple, easy, but absolutely healthy and delicious rice recipe. Oh my goodness, it was very nice, and trust me, you will love it. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena, and welcome to my kitchen where I share easy recipes with you. Please don't hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. You will love it here, and it is absolutely free. I have my coconut oil in the cooking pot. I have added my tofu. So this recipe, I really enjoy it. Okay, if you care to know, and today is the first time here, I actually do not eat meat. I have never eaten meat before, so this is something that I really enjoy. Okay, yes, I have a lot of vegetarian and then vegan recipes that I enjoy, and this is one of them. Yes, so we are just going to fry it very well, and then we proceed. You don't actually have to over fry it. Okay, yes, please do well to follow us on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes, and trust me, you will love it on the other platforms as well. Now this is how it looks, and at this moment it is ready, but I want it a bit dry before I remove it from the oil. Yes, my returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for your time. I'm very grateful. I don't take it for granted, okay, for always spending some quality time with me here. I am so thankful. So please, if you're watching this video right now, do not forget to share to others so that our family will expand. Yes, we'll get a lot of subscribers and then followers. Now this is where we have gotten to, and it looks so good. I did not season the tofu. Okay, the plants, anything plant-based, okay, is naturally nice or delicious, so you don't have to do much with it. Okay, whether you look at beans, if you use beans to prepare stew without adding anything, your beans would taste good. So anything plant-based, I don't do much with it. Yes, and I don't think you have to do much because they naturally taste so good. So that is why I did not season this, or I did not add anything to it. Okay, now we are done collecting everything from the pan. I have added my carrots, and I'm just going to toast this in the remaining oil for some few minutes. Okay, maybe a minute or maybe 30 seconds, and then add the next ingredient. The next ingredient we are going to add to this is our bell peppers and then our onions. So I am using sweet onion. You can just use any onion of choice. Okay, with the bell peppers, it adds some flavor and then taste to the food. You just try this, and I know you will like it. Now I have added the fried tofu or the soya beans that we fried. Okay, I mean the tofu is from the soya beans, and I have a video that I made it from scratch. It's on this channel or wherever you are watching me from. So just please go through the videos, and then we are good to go. I will then go ahead and add my garlic salt to it, and then give it a stir, toast it for some time. Okay, so because we did not add any salt to the tofu, that is why I am adding it here. I told you earlier that we don't have to do much with our tofu because naturally it is good. Please, you don't need to go and add some Maggi cube and other things to it. It is very good. Okay, don't worry yourself to be added certain things to it. Now I've added my basil. I've added some powdered pepper. I'll give it a stir and then wait for some few minutes. As I'm doing this, the fire is not that higher, okay, and that's what I am doing because I just want the natural herbs and spice to enter the tofu. That is what I am doing right now, and just look at that. At this moment, oh, I started eating it on the fire because it was so good. Now I have added my rice to it. So if you have some leftover rice, please do not throw it away. You can just try this recipe, but I'll be very happy to know how you enjoyed it, because I know you will enjoy it. Okay, so let me know how it will be going. Yeah. That is just by the way. So after I add the rice to it, I'll give it a stir. Make sure it's mixed very well, because we don't want we want it to be uniform. Okay, don't want the rice to be white and then other places different color. That's not what we are looking for. If you've watched me till this point, it means you like the video. Can you please smash on the like button for me, and also can you share to others for me? I'll be very happy if you do so. We have our tree channel where we share the recipe in the tree language, so please follow us on YouTube. The name is Recipe Goddess, and you will love it there as well. Now I added some small sauce to it. Okay, and the sauce I added to this was pepper. Okay, it's liquid pepper. Yes, that is what I've added to it. I still want it a bit spicy, so I will mix it, add the rest of the rice, mix it so we are done with everything before we add any other ingredients to it. Trust me, adding the basil to it, oh my goodness, took the rice to, I mean, extremely extraordinary level. Yes, it added some flavor and then some taste to the rice. So trust me, if you have rice, like I said earlier, please do not throw it away. Just try this recipe and let me know the outcome, because I trust you will love it. Now this is where we have gotten to. You can see that our rice looks so good, and the aroma in my kitchen, oh my goodness, is so delicious. At this moment, you can just go ahead and then add any seasoning of your choice. Okay, being salt or whatever thing you want to add to it to add some taste to it. Okay, yes. So now this is where we have gotten to, and it looks good. I want to add some basil to it, and then I'll cover it later after I am done with the thumbnail, so that I can get the flavor more in the rice. Thank you so much for watching. We are done with the food, and I hope you like the recipe. Are you going to try it? Let me know in the comment section, and trust me, you will love it. So I come your way next time. Always remember to do good. Love yourself first, eat healthy, and know that I love you. Thank you so much. See you in the next one. Bye bye.